everybody, this is Tulsi and today I'm in Budapest and today I'm planning to take a walk along the Danube River. I am right now in Fovém there and that's the Liberty Bridge there. I'm not very sure if you can see it and I am starting my walk, so join me. I'm a little away from the Danube right now, but I guess if I go forward, I will have my lane next to the Danube. Now that the restrictions in Hungary are loosening a little bit, I see a lot of sightseeing cruises are getting back in town. Like, these were not operating last year, but now I see a couple of them have started operating. But here I can just see a bunch of sightseeing cruises piled up all here. They're waiting for the tourists now. That's the Elizabeth Bridge here, and the hill behind is the Gellert Hill. And now we continue our walk. It's called Waka Budapest. Looks like an interesting place. one interesting fact. Budapest has amazing public transportation system. Not just buses, metros or trams. They even have waterways transportation system for the public. So what you're seeing right behind me here, that's actually a boat station. So it's marked as D, and that's a boat station. And what's in front of me is where you can board on a public boat here. It's currently closed because I think the public water system is not operating right now, or maybe just this stop is not working, so it's closed. I have used it once and it's pretty nice. So if you want to take a ride along the Danube River, then you can definitely try the public boat here. And they have frequent stops everywhere, so you can really enjoy it. I recommend to take it during the sunset because it looks beautiful in the Danube. I have taken it once, so not much an experience, but yes, that's a thing to do. If you don't want to take these very fancy cruises, you can always take the public transportation boat and you get the same view.
Hi, if you're interested, we have a nice cruise in the night time, 9:30. It's from here and it's so beautiful, the city with the lights. It takes about an hour. We have English audio guide system during the trip. There is a drink included in the price. I'll give you a brochure if you don't mind.
That'll be good.
You can think about it. This is the basic stuff, and we have a student price for 4,000 forint, which is just 12 euros.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Can I have that?
Yeah, sure. This is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye. So the oldest bridge of Budapest, the Széchenyi Bridge, or also called as the Chain Bridge, which is the most touristic bridge in Budapest. So that bridge is now in renovation, and that's why this entire area around the Chain Bridge is actually covered. I can show it to you. So this is, it's covered, it's in construction, and if you can see from the Chain Bridge from here, I don't think it's focusing here, you will see that major part of the bridge is removed actually, and it's reconstruction now. And because of this construction, also this part of the road along the Danube from Széchenyi Bridge to, I think, again, till Margaret Island. It's actually open to pedestrians to walk along. I came here yesterday and I thought the entire road along the Danube was open. But no, it's just from the point where Széchenyi Bridge starts. Also, now that it's open for pedestrian completely, they have put colorful benches here and also plants decorating it and making it more calm and nice for people to come here and enjoy the Danube River. Also, as this is completely open to the pedestrian now, they have placed some colorful benches and some interesting seats all along this road. I have seen them yesterday, and also they have placed a couple of plants here and there, making it more more suitable for people to come here and chill and enjoy the Danube River, the breeze, the sunset. I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, you can see behind, that's one of the benches, and there is more along here, so it's a pretty good initiative. I like it. It's now completely open for people to walk, cycle, bring your pet. There's also a lot of benches next to the Danube River, so you can also sit there and enjoy some drinks there. Oh, there's a tram behind me. I really like the tram too. I really like the yellow color. It's beautiful. Not just tram too, all the trams in Budapest. They have also added some planks here for people to sit, and there are actually a lot of them there. So these plants were not here before, and they are newly introduced here. I think it looks pretty cool. Makes the place more lively and pretty. So that's all about my walk next to Danube today. I am taking a diversion to the Parliament building. It's right in front of me now, and I have walked quite a lot. It was from Fovém there, and that's all about my walk next to the Danube. If you have liked my video, subscribe to my channel, like and share, and let me know what you think about it. And I will see you again next time on my next video. Till then, stay healthy and safe. Goodbye.